Kia ora everybody and welcome to another video for Ms. Leah's Christmas DIY Gifts, the 12 days of Christmas giveaway. And today I've got a very cute special guest here today. I've got Aisha Waiata here and she has come in to help me today. So what are we making today? Do you know?
No.
She's cracking up at her hat. She's going a little bit crazy over here. Okay, do you like popcorn?
Yes.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes.
Do you like peppermint?
Yeah.
Wow, I've got a treat for you. Okay, so today we are making peppermint chocolate popcorn. So I've already popped the popcorn, but you pretty much only need like half a cup to maybe 3/4 of a cup of popcorn. You'll also need a little bit of chocolate, so I've just got about 6 pieces here. That might do. We might use a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then how much candy cane did we?
Maybe 3 or 4.
3 or 4 candy cane, just cut up and just into chunks. She actually did it outside with a hammer. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to wrap it in some cellophane. $2 shop you can get this from. And also some ribbon, some gold festive coloured ribbon and some scissors. So we're going to go along to the kitchen and we're going to get Aisha to melt some chocolate. Alright, do you like chocolate?
Chocolate is my favourite thing.
Is it? Also, if you want, you can put some salt in it because at the moment it hasn't got anything in it except for olive oil or oil really. So yeah, well, let's go over to the kitchen now. So we've just got the water boiling and we're going to pop a bowl on top and melt the chocolate very soon. Aisha has come back and she has melted the chocolate. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, you want to eat it, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so be very careful.
It's not hot.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Safety first, guys. Remember, there's a child.
She's overprotective. So much.
So, what I want you to do is just sprinkle it all over.
You can do that.
No, this is what I want you to do. Just get the spoon. Just get the spoon and go like this. Ooh, just have fun. Just go like that, okay?
Okay.
Can you do that? Pretty sure you can do that, eh?
Cool.
Okay, so while she's doing that, I've cut out some cellophane and we're gonna actually put the cellophane inside these like little package parcels. Yeah. We did melt a little bit more chocolate than we said we were, which we knew that, didn't we?
We did double.
We did double, but we're actually about to have a staff hui here at Te Koutou, so I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna want some, aren't they?
Yeah.
I know it's probably a bit too early for chocolate, but it is Christmas.
Too early for chocolate. You never get too early for chocolate.
Really?
Yeah. Once I ate chocolate for breakfast.
You ate chocolate for breakfast? Oh my gosh! So once we've got all the chocolate in there, we're going to start sprinkling the candy canes. And this is just a few candy canes crushed up. I might actually start putting them on now. Yeah? So do that. And then we're going to mix it all together.
The spoon would have been so much easier.
Oh, you want a spoon?
No, I'm nearly done. Oh, actually, I'm not nearly done, but
this is just a really cute gift that you can make for your teacher or...
teacher?
Yeah. Do you have a teacher?
I would never give it to my teacher.
Really? Well, who would you give this to?
Too young.
It's too young. And so what you want to do with the popcorn is you just want to mix it all through like so. And if you like a little bit of sweet and savoury, you can just pop a little bit of salt on there. But this is pretty decadent, Whānau. But you know, at Christmas time, we eat quite a bit, don't we? What do you love about Christmas?
Presents.
You love presents? Is there? What about being with your family? Do you love being with your whānau?
Yeah, it can be okay.
It can be okay. I'm pretty sure it's more than can be okay.
It can be good.
Yeah, I bet it's good, eh?
No, not always.
I love kids. We haven't overdone this, so we haven't.
Go get a spoon.
overdone it as in there's not a huge amount of candy canes and there's not a huge amount of chocolate. So if it's just kind of like a little subtle taste. Yeah, probably, just to give that little redness, eh? But this is good for an example. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scrunch it up like this.
Did you put salt on?
Yeah, I put some salt on. I mean, it's probably not a lot of salt in here.
We've got all that salt.
I'm going to rip a little bit of ribbon around. I've just done the little small ones today because I think that this is quite a sweet treat. So you don't want to put too much in because you might not be able to close it, Aisha.
How do we just go there?
Yeah, we just want to kind of bring it up into like a little parcel, like that. So I'll put some ribbon for you. Oh, I can tie up for you if you like. Or have you got too much?
Yeah, I think so. That's good. I need some candy cane with it too.
Yeah, I think we do, eh? Need to eat it with the candy cane. The candy cane's very subtle. Nice. Thank you so much for joining me today. And joining me to make this gift. Now, don't forget with these treats, we're giving them away.
2, 1,
Merry Christmas!